Meaning of circumstance. Circumstance refers to the condition or situation that affects an event, decision, or action. It often relates to the surrounding facts or context. 10 example sentences with circumstance. 1. Due to personal circumstances, he had to leave the job. 2. We must adjust to changing circumstances. 3. Under no circumstance should you open that door. 4. She handled the difficult circumstances bravely. 5. His success depends on the circumstances. 6. In normal circumstances, this wouldn't happen. 7. They did their best, given the circumstances. 8. The company had to shut down due to financial circumstances. 9. He remained calm in every circumstance. 10. The decision may change according to the circumstances.